Coach. Today I am here to show you a funnel template that you can use to collect leads and sell services at the same time. Hey everyone, this is Sadia from WPFunnels. In this video, I am going to give you a quick showcase of our latest funnel template, Life Coach's Sales Funnel. This template is beautifully built so that you can use it on the go for your coaching business. All you have to do is change the copy and a few images. Now let's see how you can set it up real quick. So here I am in the dashboard of WPFunnels. Now to create a new funnel, click on this Add New Funnel option. Here you'll see different templates for various niches. Now I'll select the Life Coach template. So if you go to the steps, you'll see there are 5 steps: landing, checkout, upsell, downsell, and the thank you. Let's import the funnel. And it will take you to the canvas where you can plan your funnel visually. If you have a look at here, you will see the entire visitor journey. If the visitor comes to the landing, then he will go to the checkout. Then you will offer him an upsell. If he accepts the upsell, he will be redirected to the thank you page. But if he rejects the upsell, he will be offered a downsell and ultimately go to the thank you page. Now let me preview the landing page. So this is the landing. Here you see the CTA for going to the checkout, a lead magnet with an opt-in form, and some necessary relevant content. Now let's see how we can design it. For that, go to the edit option. Here I am using Elementor, but you can use your preferred page builder. So this is the editing page where you can change every single content. You can change the heading, the image, the opt-in form, basically everything. Remember, this button is a widget of WPFunnels, so you can use it wherever you want. Alright? Now let's move on to the checkout page. Now when you are creating the checkout step in the funnel, you need to decide what you are offering. It can be a course, a session, or any subscription product which you need to add to the funnel. So now I'm going to the configuration option and select my product. So I have created a subscription product at the WooCommerce site already, so I'm gonna search it here and add this product to the funnel. So you just need to come here, search your WooCommerce product and add it to the checkout page. Now let's preview the checkout page. So this is the checkout page. So if you see the fields, you'll see the country, street address, town, state, zip, this information here. I don't really need a physical address of my customer, so I'm just gonna change that. Let me go to the configuration option again and click on edit fields. So here you will see all the checkout fields. So I'm just gonna delete all the physical information from here. Alright, here you can see the shipping field option and some additional options as well. So if you want, you can add them in your checkout page. Now let me go to the edit page. So this is the checkout page. So here you'll just change the copy or image for your business. Alright. If I go to the checkout field, you see the physical information are not here anymore. So as you see, the editing process is basically the same for every page. So I'm just gonna give a quick preview of the upsell, downsell, and the thank you page. So this is the upsell page which is offered first. Then if user rejects it, he will be offered a downsell. And finally, it will be redirected to the thank you page. So that's how you can easily create a live coach sales funnel using WPFunnels. If you have the copy ready, it won't take you more than 10 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Use this sales funnel template and thrive your coaching business. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.